I suck. I literally suck at character design, and even more so at drawing robots or cyborgs or mechs or anything hard surface. So to fix that, I'm drawing more characters every day. But before we dive into today's character design, please subscribe. We are so close to 1000 subscribers, and there are a lot of things coming after 1000 subscribers. So please, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. Thank you. Now, as I mentioned before, I really suck at drawing cyborgs, robots or mechs or anything hard surface. So I wanted to change that, and then I decided to draw a robot lady. So my idea was to combine the Indian style and the cyborg style together, but I think that didn't work out so well. So I was like, whatever, I'll just draw a robot lady out of my memory with some references, but I still gave her kind of like an Indian face. So I wanted her to look like more of a futuristic robot, okay, futuristic cyborg or something. Alright, so that is why I made her hips a lot bigger and her feet a lot slimmer. Same goes for the hands, and I hope that I did the shapes some justice because I think they look pretty cool. And I also added kind of like a cape or the thing that Indian women put on their heads. I think that it's called as a pallu. Okay, so she looks kind of like more of like an Indian but a robot. And of course the classic bindi, I did add that while coloring. So yeah, I kept it simple as possible because I never wanted to complicate stuff, and I did this in like 1 maybe 2 hours because this is a complicated design, so it took me kind of like more time than usual. So yeah, I think I might flush her design later on for an IP that I'm working on because she looks like kind of like a villain character to me. So yeah, and for the colors I went with white with violet and orange accents. Orange because to signify her Indian style or something like that, because most of the things in India are like warm colored tones. Yeah, and that's it. I gave her a skin color on her face. Her brain is the only thing that is human, the rest of the body is like a robot. So that is why I gave her face a skin color tone. I added black to the rest of the accents where the details are not that necessary. So yeah, so I think that works out pretty well. Yeah, all in all, I like this design very much. It's, in my opinion at least, for like designing in an hour or two. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna do more of these character designs regularly, so that is why you need to subscribe, alright, so that you can learn and draw better characters and help me reach 1000 subscribers quickly. Until next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.